Good morning, everyone. If you did not see yesterday's episode, well, let's roll a quick little clip. This is how we work out on the road. Come on, guys! Woo, woo, woo! Our friends, Eamon and Bec, their van completely broke down. Things could have been worse though. Thankfully, we were able to get to a safe spot to park and things like that. But we're about to get it towed, and fingers crossed, we actually get the problem fixed super quickly. So that's the goal of today. Get Trinity fixed. Let's get into this.
Local to explain to them where we are, and then the guy said, "Yeah, you're along the creek, along the wall." Right. And they're at the opposite side of the highway.
Oh no.
Classic. Well, it's a red, it's like a classic tow truck, so they're gonna be towing it.
Like getting it on.
It's not a flatbed. It's one of the ones where you grab the wheels from the thing and pull it. I was just saying, the guy we spoke to last night, who we were feeling very good about because he was very confident moving around the van, my mechanic said that he was doing things wrong. He was spraying diesel into the intake, which you don't do with sprinters. So,
and by that he means got a water bottle of diesel, put a hole in the top, and you just turn it on.
Nope, it doesn't work.
The Jedi Knight is going to his station of lookout. Here we are. So this is not a flatbed at all.
This looks pretty heavy duty.
Yeah, it does.
Imagine how much force that is.
So apparently, I don't know why I suggested he puts it in neutral, but apparently it's bad for the transmission. So he's actually taking the entire, what's that called? He's removing that entire piece and then, I don't know, it's more legit.
So we're putting it in neutral. Oh, wow.
Bueno?
Wow, that was quite a jolt. All right, I want to show you guys what he's taking off here because it's a hefty piece. Whoa, so what is that?
I don't want to explain this on camera because it sounds so stupid. I can't think of the name of this thing.
Right. Camera's off.
Camera's off as you pointed in my face. Basically, that thing spins.
Yeah.
What's that called, that piece?
Lecha?
Yeah, in English, you know?
No.
And that, you get combustion in the engine, which spins that piece, which spins a gear, which spins the wheels. So that thing's actually spinning in real time.
Bye, Trinity. Bye, Trin.
Bye, Trin.
And my heart. She'll be okay. We rolled up in our 6'4". Trinity is looking a little sick still. Let's get the update.
I feel like we're in the right spot. I feel good with the sprinters.
Feeling good.
Many sprinters.
They all look in tip-top shape too.
Hola, amigo.
¿Qué tal? Buenos días.
How are you?
Bien, gracias. Hola.
Just driving normally for 1 hour after we filled up the gas. And we're driving and then a bit of a lag and then all the computer lights came on and we pulled over.
No acceleration.
And no acceleration.
In this one, it's Diagnostic by the Century.
Yeah, electric plug-in.
Yeah.
Plug in, and then we can see the codes.
Yeah.
Feeling very confident. The gentleman here is the technician. He speaks a little bit of English, and we didn't want to give him any ideas on kind of what we think the problem is. So he's going to totally jump in cold and hook up the car to read some codes and see where the failure is, and go from there.
And every other car here is a Sprinter.
Yeah, honestly.
There's a lot of Mercedes-Benz logos floating around.
Yeah, we're a little bit worried about the language barrier because I felt like he was saying yes to questions just because he was didn't understand as opposed to actually really understanding. Yeah. So maybe Serge can get on a call with him. All right, so what do you guys want to do?
I would personally love to check out a new spot / area.
Yeah.
Could do that too.
Yeah. But yeah, stay close enough.
Yeah. Okay, all right.
It's about the van first
go
and food second. Is
figure
all
it out.
days are.
Okay, let's do it.
So only 3 possibilities. Is number 1 is the fuel pump or the filter. Okay, gracias, thank you. Vasily said, if anybody tells you it's not one of the 3 things I told you, tell them to go get a coffee.
All right, we got an emergency shearing session. Eamon, let's see the damage.
It's just that guy's gotta go.
All right, let's go. Let's get this over with. Adios, amigo. wait.
Watch him for him. I leave a piece of me everywhere I go.
Now that the van is in its current condition, obviously we come back to Mr. Clutch. Sergio right here, always coming through for us. We're at this cafe, just uploaded a vlog. Marco's been here before. You've seen him dying from a Serrano.
Hello, bro.
And this is his identical little brother with some suave hair, Santiago. So what were you saying? You're gonna make me proud. What are you gonna? What's your new phrase, dog?
Holy smokes, bro.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
so.
That's my new face, bro.
That's your new phrase.
I will say it every day, all day, every hour, every second. I will say, holy smokes, bro.
So we just got a call from the dealership. The girl we were talking with got an English-speaking guy. He's here for 2 days, and he was able to tell us what's going on. The sensor they were talking about, they don't have in Mexico at all. And so he said it's going to take 10 to 12 days to ship it. But then, because they have no other sensors, but then we had the idea to maybe use the sensor in our car, because basically, okay, the sensor is broken, and they don't know if the reason the car won't go is because of the sensor or because of another problem that the sensor would read. But they have to have
They
the
have to
sensor.
go through a list of things to do before they do anything. So they need that sensor to find out if there's other stuff.
Right. So what we can do is borrow the sensor from our car.
Right.
Maybe the sensor is the
It's
problem.
a brilliant call by Christian.
Yeah, if that's
Yeah.
the case, we're a little stuck. But maybe it's a whole other thing that'll pick up, and they have the parts. So
And we clarified very, very clearly that it won't damage your car at all.
Right,
That
okay.
was like super, super clear on this.
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
very confident now. All right, the vlog craziness continues, guys. We hope you keep watching this because we genuinely don't know what's happening. So this is like real suspense. This is not fake at all. Let's go. Wish us luck, guys. Come on, let's go.
Okay, Trinity.
All right, Trin, let's figure it out.
Let's try to get this going.
This is our friend Kathy, right? She's our helper. She's helping us. Hi, Kathy.
Oh,
This isn't, okay, this isn't my sensor. This is a different sensor they have that looks similar. It's a different part number. The sensor could tell me this part of your engine's going out, fix it now. I never had this problem.
Right.
But the bad side karma that's almost worse is right now his car's probably freaking fine.
yeah.
No, I think I just have this gut that it's fine, and when we find this one thing that it is, it's gonna be like, oh,
Yeah.
that's
Amazing.
it. Yeah.
Okay, so Hefe walks over. He's
Hefe,
big
for those
mustache,
Americans,
little tongue,
is the boss.
Hefe walks over. He's not happy at all. There's another van in his lot. It's not going to work tonight. Our sweetheart, Carrie?
Kathy.
Kathy, precious lady. She's been helping us out. She goes and she's like trying to talk to him. I might come over to it and I'm like, hey, is there anything I can do? And yeah, Hefe is just like staring me down, not happy at all with me. So back to Kathy, and like he was like, you got to get out. And I was trying to explain. She finally gets rid of him, and I'm like, she's like, is that Hefe? She's like, whoa.
Hefe is like this very tiny, grumpy man. He just
Small,
kind of like goes.
Tight-fitting, tucked-in shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's working that shirt as hard
Got a
as possible.
clipboard.
Yeah.
Staying on schedule today, kids. My Spanglish skills are fire, so I'm starting to understand. Good news, it's not a sensor problem. Bad news is there's a piece that needs to spin within the engine that's not spinning right now. So
it's an engine problem.
well, it's stuck. He didn't use the word seize. I don't know if that's just they didn't know the word seize, but it's stuck. So I don't know if there's a piece in there where you can get it going. He's talking to someone in Tijuana who has more experience working on American Sprinters.
Okay.
And
All right, guys. So we still don't know what's going on. We're hoping that we'll find out, today or tomorrow. Either way, we're probably going to be able to let you know in tomorrow's vlog with Eamon and Bec. It'll be on their channel.
So keep peeping.
Yeah.
Keep peeping and creeping. Follow our channels, guys.
Keep your
Keep
fingers
an eye out.
crossed.
Keep your fingers crossed for them. We have no idea how long we're going to be in Querétaro. So we're going to make the best of it. And yeah, that's about it.
I am mechanic for Mercedes-Benz in Querétaro, and I don't with the engine.
Done with the engine.
Yours subscribe and yours date too. Like,
Bueno, okay, buenas noches.
good night.
Yeah.